Hello, this is Russell with RiverOaksCarStereoInstaller.com, coming to you from Houston, Texas to show you the new wonderful wiring harness to retain the Mark Levinson Sound System in Lexuses. Here we go over to the car. The other function of this harness is to allow navigation retention into this. This is an 02 SC430. Here's the harness right over here. We'll call it Harness X for now. You guys can contact me and get more information about it. As you can see, we hooked up a Pioneer AVH P4300 DVD. Let me go ahead and get everything turned on. Lexus screen powering up on there. Let me go ahead and hit the map voice button. Hit I agree. As you can see, navigation is still working on that one. The screen on the AVH 4300. Let's go ahead and turn up the volume. We are currently working on getting the steering wheel controls to work. We'll give you an update on that one. Thank you very much.